everybody. This is kind of an unexpected video, but I recently came across one of the funniest sounding things in the world. It is called slow motion Animal Jam music. Like, I'm not joking, some of it sounds absolutely ridiculous. Like, I was filming a video and I had to slow it down when I was editing it, and the music in the background, because I forgot to turn the music off in Animal Jam, it sounded weird. Like, I'm not joking. So, I'm gonna post this video with the sound of Foxtrot in slow motion, because that's the one I was listening to at first, to see how you guys like it. Put your ideas in the comments, because it is ridiculous.